back to Calvin's Corner 72. Today on the corner, it's shepherd's pie with a little twist. Stick around. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to Calvin's Corner 72. Hey, today we got a good show, I'm telling you. And I'm smoking on my Missouri Meerschaum. Oh yeah, I'm gonna fix and light her up. Got a little cherry Cavendish in it. And I think it's Missouri Meerschaum week, ain't it? I mean, it is. Like the 17th is coming up, right? So happy Shamrock Day to all y'all. Oh yeah. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody, okay? Happy St. Patrick's Day. I should be wearing something green. I know I got something somewhere. But, well, there's green right here. How about that? As y'all can see, it's very cold out here. Oh, yeah. First off, I'm gonna light this pipe. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be hard for me to keep this thing going talking too. This cherry Cavendish is so good. Got my fire going right here. Got to get some coals, and we're gonna start cooking. Y'all, we are cooking in my 10-inch Dutch oven today. We're gonna be cooking some in my 10-inch Cabela's Dutch oven, because that one and Lodge is about the only two I've got, which is a good Dutch oven. We're gonna do some shepherd's pie, but we're gonna put a little twist on it. We're gonna throw some deer meat in there with hamburger meat. Oh yeah. You know, deer are just about like sheep or goats. So I think it seems fitting, right? Right? Come on now. You know, I worked last night. I worked third shift. And this morning out here, chickens are cackling, dogs are barking, people's waking up. Old boy like me, I just got off work. Come home, got everything out here, got this fire roaring behind me, which actually feels pretty good on my back. Gonna do this daggone video. Oh yeah. First off, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. New and the long-standing subscribers, the ones that's been around since day one. Oh yeah. Some of y'all have noticed I've got quite a jump in my subscribers. I went from like 2,000 to almost 4,000 just like that. I mean, it went quick. And it's due to a Dutch oven video I've got going out there. At the end of this video, I'm going to have a playlist. I wish y'all would click on that and check out all my Dutch oven videos I've done over the last 2 years. January, I've been in YouTube for 2 years, and I'm pushing 4,000. I just can't believe it. Guys, it's unreal. It's really unreal. And thank you to you the subscribers. Y'all are the ones that made it happen. Y'all are the ones that clicked that button. I couldn't twist your hand. I couldn't twist your arm, which I probably could if I could get to you, but I didn't do that. All right, y'all did it on yourself because, you know, y'all like what I do, and I really appreciate that. Tells me I'm doing something good. So if y'all click that thumbs down below, but don't do it right now. Do it at the end of the video. I want you to see the video and let me know how you think about it. If you like it, if you don't like it. If you don't like it, tell me. If you do, well, drop that down there and let me know. I really appreciate it. Well, I appreciate this. Yorkshire Posse, he sent me this. And this is my Tennessee Temperate Tennessee Bull gave to me. And this is my lighter I got from Fatwood Projects. This is my Crawdaddy Forge I got from Crawdaddy. Guys, this is one of my new shirts I had to come out. These are my rings I got from Captain Jerk. YouTube is all around me, and I try to bring it in when I do a video. Guys, I've been working all night, and it's time. Oh yeah, it's time. Y'all know what time it is. Time to get my priorities straight. That's right. Worked all night. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Excuse me. Oh, ain't nothing like a cold bush in a bottle. I got these when I was in Florida. They don't even sell them around here. And I've been nursing these things, just one or two ever so often. And I've just got a few left. I got a couple of them I might have to bring to somebody. We have a meetup in June. I think he knows who he is. All right, y'all, stick around. I got some more piping, puffing, and supping. Hope y'all like this video. Gotta get over here and tend to these far. Y'all come back and see me. Oh yeah, we'll put in the beef first. Get it going. Once we get it cooked down, we'll drain it off, and then add in the deer meat. Oh boy, she's cooking now. Won't be long, folks. All right, y'all. Looks like the beef is done. We're going to take it off here, drain it out, put the deer meat in, and get it going. Be right back. All right, y'all. Let's add this deer meat in. I'm going to put, looks like I'm putting 2 packs in here, which is a 2-pound pack. So that's about 4 pounds. We're going to have a lot of deer meat because this stuff does not cook up. I left a little bit of the grease in there from the hamburger because I want some flavor. All right, I'll get back when it starts kicking. Don't forget to wear your personal protective equipment. Okay, y'all, I got her crushed up real good. It should start cooking pretty quick. I lowered it down a little bit closer to the fire. It's doing really good right now. We want to cook this down, get this thing completely done, and make sure everything's cooked really well. We don't want none of that raw. And I'll get right back with y'all. Sorry about the lighting out here. You know, the sun's coming over the hill in the morning, and we got shadows because I got trees. Hey y'all, I wanted to tell y'all, when I make a mistake, I want to tell everybody. Okay, I don't want y'all to think y'all can do the same with a 10-inch Dutch oven and say, well, it worked for him. I put too much meat in here. The deer meat's not cooking down at all. So therefore, I'm going to have to take about half this meat out of here. So I would suggest next time maybe a pound of ground beef, cook it, drain it down, 1 pound or 2 pounds at the most of deer meat, not 4 pounds, because I got a lot more to put in here. Okay, y'all, next thing we want to put in here is our mixed vegetables. I'm just going to put 1 bag, beans. I got so much in here already. Instead of 2 bags, just use 1. I will have all the ingredients for a 10-inch Dutch oven in the description down below. I promise. All right, y'all. I've had these vegetables in here for about 2 or 3 minutes now. And that's about all we really need for them. What we're going to do now is we're going to put some beef broth in here. Oh yeah. If I can get the lid open. That's a 32-ounce container of beef broth. Then I'm gonna put 2 packets of brown gravy mix in here. I'm gonna stir this in. And I got it on pretty much high heat. There's fire licking the bottom of this pan. Oh yeah. We're gonna let this cook here just a minute. Maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Then we're gonna add the final ingredient. Stick around. Alright y'all, as you see, I've moved it off the tripod and I put it down here on the coals. And I'm putting potatoes, these are instant potatoes, and I'm gonna lay them right on top, all the way around. And of course, be very careful. She's gonna get hot. Now I'm guessing about how many coals to put on there to get my desired temperature. I think that's gonna get it. Oh yeah. And if I think it's too hot on one side, I can keep turning it and keep it leveled out so it's not burning one side and not the other. What we're looking for when we take the lid off is for it to be bubbling real good. Then we'll know she's cooking. I've raked the coals away a little bit just so I can isolate it from all the other heat. All right, y'all, let's give it a look-see. Oh boy, she's a boiling. I think it's about done. All right, y'all, I got her over here. One thing I forgot to add when I put my mashed potatoes in was my black pepper and my slap your mama sauce. Slap your mama salt. Oh yeah. Whew. A little smoky out here, but I think it's about time to plate this stuff up. What y'all think? If I had this to do over again, I would put about half of that liquid in there. Yes, I would. Because I think it's just a little bit too liquid. So I'll put down in the description all the recipes so you'll know exactly what to get for a 10-inch Dutch oven. Let's plate this up. Whew. Boy, this looks good. Oh, look at that. Son. Look at that. I'm gonna get me some of that meat in there. Oh, God. Look at that. Now, shepherd's pie is normally not this runny. This is the first time I've ever made it in a Dutch oven. Period. Check it out. Hope y'all can see that. Man. Please check out in the description. I have my Dutch oven list. It's a playlist. Check them out. Throw me a thumbs up if you like some of them. Throw me a thumbs up if you like this. Oh man. Let's check this out. Oh. Man, it's awful hot. Well, one thing about a Dutch oven, it keeps it hot. This is easy to take to camp and make. I mean, it's easy. It's just instant potatoes, beef, broth, little gravy, some seasonings, some vegetables. That's it. I wish y'all could taste that. I really do. This is up there. This is probably better than the ribs I cooked, y'all. God, y'all. That is so good. Check it out. Woo! And that slap your mama salt and that black pepper, I can smell it. It's good. Y'all have got to try this. This is so easy. I mean, it's so easy. When you put your potatoes on top, smooth them out if you can. When the liquid starts bubbling through, she's done. Because, you know, you got some vegetables in there, meat and stuff. So, y'all check this out. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this video. I really appreciate y'all coming by Calvin's Corner 72 and watching my Dutch oven cooking some good old shepherd's pie with a little twist. Deer meat, that is. Y'all come back and see me at Calvin's Corner 72. I got some groceries to eat. I'm going to bed. To die for.